For all you online buyers, listen up for a special deal on New Zealand food product. Go to www.newzealandfood.us to order some of your favorite New Zealand food products. Let's take a look at some of the offers.
Thank you, Jake. For those of you who appreciate different tastes in your beverages, order some Steinlager Pure 12-pack. This product is exclusive to New Zealand for a limited time. You can order it from www.newzealandfood.us for only $37.75. This is a perfect order for some hot July day that you want to give to your dad. Remember, this is a limited time offer which expires in 20 minutes, so order now.
Thank you, Peter. Anything new on your end?
Thank you, Jake. You know those days where you just have to have a salty snack with your burger, and the fries and chips just aren't cutting it? Well, search no more, because the food shop is offering Blue Bird's Burger Rings, New Zealand's favorite burger chips. They contain no artificial flavors or colors, perfect with that pure juicy beef in that burger of yours. Order them online today at the food shop at www.newzealandfood.us.
Very nice, Jensen. Remember www.newzealandfood.us, and now for tonight's special offer, Peter.
Thank you, Jake. Today, our special is a 1 kilogram tub of New Zealand's own Manuka honey. This honey has been shown to have effective and reliable antibacterial activity due to the active compound dietary methylglycol. This tub of NGO 100 Manuka honey is a medium-level activity for general well-being. This is for a steal of not $19.99, not $14.99, $52.99, which would be really not food. Order today at www.newzealandfood.us and eat healthy with your honey today. Thank you and good night.